The coldest we're seeing here, which is right here off just the northwest part of Yucatan, that is basically about 28 degrees. So that's about 82.5 degrees. These water temperatures here in the blue, that's 29.7 degrees. So let's do the math here. This is just estimated temperatures. So let's do 28.7. Or is that 29? Oh, yeah, 29.7. That's going to be about 85 degrees. Yep. Very, very warm. That's blues. That's if you're looking at the light blue, like these colors here. But most of the Gulf, once you get north of Cuba, it's green and even a little yellow. That's about 30.9 degrees Celsius. About 31 degrees. So your Gulf of Mexico right now, it's almost 88 degrees. And that's just based on the that's just based on satellite imagery. Again, low 80s, mid to upper 80s right here. So very, very warm. So let's go to, National Data Buoy Center. All right, so let's go to National Data Buoy Center so we can look at these water temperatures here. So this is Tropical Depression 10, which is forecast to become a hurricane. So let's check the surface water temperatures here. As you can see, very warm in the mid to upper 80s. Yeah. Okay, red means it's not available, I believe. There we go, not available. But right here, it has to be outside of the path. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, water temperature was 88 degrees. $85 degrees. Air temperature. Water temperature. Okay, I'm trying to find water temperatures here. Okay, 87 degrees. $89.6 degrees air temperature. You know why those air temperatures are so warm? It's because of your water temperatures. Yeah. 89.6. Water temperature. 88.9 degrees. Yeah, if a hurricane passes over that, you're going to have a major, major hurricane. Again, jeez. Air temperature 86 degrees. That'll be uncomfortable even as a daytime temperature. Wow. But here off New York, it's not too much warmer, 73. Still warmer than normal, but not by much. And here in Oswego, water temperature 69.4 degrees. It's warm enough to swim, but not comfortable. You're not going to be comfortable in those kind of temperatures. That's a water temperature. Okay, so definitely in the upper 80s. Air temperature 86.5, so water temperature definitely very, very warm. History. Oh yeah, details. I think is what I needed to look at. Water temperature. Water temperature. Yeah. Wow. Water temperature pushing 90. Look at these water temperatures, guys. Yeah, that's really, really. Oh my lord. Okay. Again. Water temperature is 88.5. Air temperature. Jeez. So it's actually warmer now than it is during the day. Yeah, water temperatures are definitely really warm right now. Water temperature 86. So yeah, water temperatures right now are definitely very, very warm. There is actually a good probability that it may undergo very rapid intensification, especially from tomorrow evening onwards. So landfall should occur in 72 to 84 hours. Look at this model right here, taking it almost up to Cat 5 strength. Well, I don't think it's going to do that anymore. You want to know why the Atlantic is so active? Because the MJO is in its positive phase right now. Well, negative phase, I mean, yeah. Negative means actually rising air. Normally. So, plus values is actually sinking air, while the greens are rising air. Yeah. Whenever you're going to get greens, you're going to get a lot of rising air. So you could actually see the swirl right here. You could actually see where the hurricane is. It's in that cluster of thunderstorms that is associated with Hurricane Harvey, Franklin, believe it or not. Yeah, because we had a G and H, both petered out, both were like short-lived storms, so yeah. So let's go to tropical tidbits right now. So we can look at satellite imagery of Hurricane Franklin. Right now, I would say it looks like a strong tropical storm or a minimal hurricane. But by this time tomorrow, it's going to have a formed eye. But you can see it has healthy outflow. You can see the high clouds moving west to east on the north side, and on the south side, there's very little movement. So there's definitely outflow. But another thing I wanted to show you guys is an earthquake that actually just struck Mount Rainier. This is Mount Rainier here, guys. So let's look at 7 days, all magnitudes. It's been pretty active here on Mount Rainier. So, yeah, you even had a 2.7. 30 days, 2.5 plus, and look at that. First one in a while. Yep. And that's definitely around magma chamber depth, but no one felt it though. Oh wait, actually 8 people felt that. Wow. Huh. I'm surprised there are so many felt reports outside of the volcano. That's a volcanic quake. I don't think anybody felt that. Considering the quake was here, right near Mount Rainier, I don't think anybody actually felt that 2.7 quake. It's too small. It's too shallow. I think all those felt reports are mistaken. Yeah, this is not associated with the movement of the Juan de Fuca. This is a volcanic tectonic earthquake. Very shallow. This is definitely what I would call a VT earthquake. Oh, that's not all. Speaking of earthquakes, we had a massive swarm that happened at Campi Flegrei just a few weeks ago, or days ago. I've counted so far, I've counted 491 earthquakes since this event started. I mean, since the 1st of August, I've counted 491 events, which is the most I've ever counted at Campi Flegrei. These earthquakes are still considered preliminary, which is not good. So right now we're looking at the HRRR. From my neck of the woods, doesn't look like anything much. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be headed to bed in a bit. What is video section? Anyway, I gotta go. I'm going to bed, guys. Thank you for